Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a French speaker learning English, this video is for you. Salut tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne. Si tu parles français et que tu apprends l'anglais, cette vidéo est pour toi. Today we're breaking down some English words that are very confusing for French speakers because they look or sound similar in both languages but mean something completely different. Aujourd'hui, on va voir des mots anglais très confus pour les francophones, car ils se ressemblent, tous se prononcent de la même manière dans les deux langues, mais signifient quelque chose de complètement différent. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lessons. Actually. Actually doesn't mean actuellement in English. Actually means en effet. En effet. Actuellement means currently. Currently. For example, actually, I don't like pizza. Actually, I don't like pizza. En fait, je n'aime pas la pizza. She is currently at home. She is currently at home. Elle est actuellement à la maison. Eventually doesn't mean éventuellement in English. Eventually means finalement en français. Éventuellement means possibly or maybe. For example, eventually I passed the exam. Eventually I passed the exam. Finalement j'ai réussi l'examen. He is possibly busy. He is possibly busy. Il est éventuellement occupé. Lunatic. Lunatic doesn't mean lunatique in English. Lunatic means fou. Lunatique in French means moody. Moody. For example, he's acting like a lunatic. He's acting like a lunatic. Il agit comme un fou. Il agit comme un fou. He's a bit moody. He's a bit moody. Il est un peu lunatique. Assist. Assist doesn't mean assister in English. Assist means aider. Assister à in French means attend. Attend. For example, she assisted the teacher. She assisted the teacher. Elle a aidé l'enseignant. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. Je vais assister à la réunion demain. Affair. Affair doesn't mean affaire in English. Affair means liaison amoureuse. Affair in French means business or matter. For example, he had an affair with his coworker. He had an affair with his coworker. Il a eu une liaison avec sa collègue. That's none of your business. That's none of your business. Ce n'est pas ton affaire. Demand doesn't mean demander in English. Demand means exiger. Demander in French means ask. Demander in French means ask. For example, she demanded an answer. She demanded an answer. Elle a exigé une réponse. I want to ask a question. I want to ask a question. Je veux poser une question. Deceive. Deceive doesn't mean décevoir in English. Deceive means tromper. Décevoir in French means disappoint. For example, he deceived everyone. He deceived everyone. Il a trompé tout le monde. I don't want to disappoint my parents. I don't want to disappoint my parents. Je ne veux pas décevoir mes parents. Library. Library doesn't mean librairie in English. Library means bibliothèque. Library means bibliothèque. Librairie means bookstore. For example, I go to the library every Saturday. I go to the library every Saturday. Je vais à la bibliothèque tous les samedis. She bought a novel at the bookstore. She bought a novel at the bookstore. Elle a acheté un roman à la librairie. Rest doesn't mean rester in English. Rest means se reposer. Rest means se reposer. Rester in French means stay. Rester in French means stay. For example, you should rest after work. You should rest after work. Tu devrais te reposer après le travail. I want to stay home today. I want to stay home today. Je veux rester à la maison aujourd'hui. Bless doesn't mean blessé in English. Blessed means béni. Blessed means béni. Blessé in French means injured. Blessé in French means injured. For example, he feels blessed. He feels blessed. Il se sent béni. He got injured during the game. He got injured during the game. Il s'est blessé pendant le match. Hazard doesn't mean hasard in English. Hazard means danger. Hazard means danger. Hasard means in French randomness. Hasard means in French randomness. For example, smoking is a health hazard. Smoking is a health hazard. Fumer est un danger pour la santé. I like the randomness of surprises. I like the randomness of surprises. J'aime le côté imprévisible du hasard. Delay doesn't mean délai in English. Delay means retard. Delay means retard. For example, there was a delay. There was a delay. Il a eu un retard. We must finish before the deadline. We must finish before the deadline. Nous devons finir avant la date limite. Surname doesn't mean surnom in English. Surname means nom de famille. Surname means nom de famille. Surnom in French means nickname. Surnom in French means nickname. For example, what's your surname? What's your surname? Quel est votre nom de famille? What's your nickname? What's your nickname? Quel est votre surnom? Journey doesn't mean journée in English. Journey means voyage. Journey means voyage. Journée in French means day. For example, it was a long journey. It was a long journey. C'était un long voyage. I had a great day. I had a great day. J'ai passé une bonne journée. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful English expressions and translations.